Hi beautiful friends, so I'm going to get ready today. I've already prepped my skin, it's all settled in, SPF, and then we're going to go ahead and start my makeup. So recently I just started using the Stay Naked foundation. I'm absolutely in love with it. This is a 50WY. I like it because it has really good coverage and the color is just perfect on my skin. And yeah, I just feel like it really does a lot for just the little that it does. So I'm going to go ahead and use my beauty blender and just kind of give a sheer application all over my face and just kind of give it a good base. This is the winter season, so I feel like my skin looks much lighter on my face, and it usually does because of all the skincare that I do, and my body's still a little bit tan. So I'm just going to, that was just one pump, just kind of place it all over, and then I'm going to do a little bit more coverage with concealer, just a moment. Okay, so I just made sure it's really blended and sheer all throughout my face. There's a little bit of maybe just some spots that could get a little bit more love. I didn't really do too much in the areas that I like to put concealer on. Let's see, the concealer, where are you? Oh, there we go. The Naked Stay Naked up to 24-hour wear. This is a 40NY. So this is more neutral. And I'm just gonna put it under my eyes and where I like a little bit more brightness. And this is kind of where I typically like to get a little bit brighter. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my beauty blender and just kind of blend that in and pat it in. So using the Stay Naked, I love it because it doesn't really feel like I have that much makeup. I've actually kind of took a good week or so. Even this week I really didn't wear makeup. So when you haven't worn makeup for a while and then go back to putting makeup, it's a little bit daunting to put on heavier makeup because it feels like so built up on your face, and then you just kind of feel like your skin's getting suffocated. But with this foundation, it's actually so nice. It feels like my skin is still there and it's just like a more even tone skin, which is amazing. If you hear background noise, Kira and Kian are just waiting for me to get ready, and they're just having their little cute date together, just hanging out. We're gonna go eat brunch in a minute. So just thought, I was like, I need to film this look because I just rented this outfit. It's just so cute. I haven't really had a reason to really dress up, or I just don't really dress up that often because a lot of times I'm working from home or just, yeah, on the go. Okay. So I wanted to show you a little bit closer up what this foundation looks like. It's just so nice. And you guys see my acne scar. I might actually cover that just a little bit more with the actual foundation, just make it a little bit darker. Just put the tip. That one's still healing from the Christmas holiday. So, but it's been getting better. A lot of my scars are still, the color's there, but it's definitely healed and gotten so much better, which is, oh, such a blessing. Okay. All right. So now we're going to leave it like that. I'm going to go ahead and use blush. I'm going to go ahead and use the Urban Decay Afterglow. Actually, I might use something else too. I just got a new palette from Urban Decay. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, the Urban Decay, they just sent me this Stay Naked Threesome, and this is a bronzer highlighter blush duo, so I might use this and also the blush that I just showed you. This is so pretty. I love the packaging. So there's that. Let's go ahead and do this. So because I'm going to go with the Urban Decay Indecent blush first. So I'm using this brush from Smith 154. It's not a blush brush, but I'm actually washing all my brushes right now, so I just kind of found a brush that I was like, okay, this could work. It's kind of big, normally not what I would use, but it could work. I'm just kind of placing it onto the apples of my cheek, but just kind of giving it a flush of a good soft peach. Because I feel like the outfit's really bold, the patterns are bold. I don't want to do too much around the face. I want this to look just like a fresh look. Okay. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and use the same brush and use a highlighter. See the highlighter right there? Glide it just right above that blush. Not too much. I'm just going to give it a kiss of a little bit of glow. I'm going to go with the contour. Same brush. You see the contour right there. And then I'm wearing a hat right now. I just toned my hair. Actually, I colored my hair yesterday. I haven't styled it really well, so I'm just wearing a hat today because I'm lazy. And I just wanted to contour the perimeter of my face just so that I have a little bit more like just warmth and texture, or not texture, warmth, and just make my face look a little slim. along the jaw, and then drag it along the neck so it just kind of all flows and blends. Really simple. I'm not going to really put it on my cheek, but I do like to put it where it's around the temple and then the ear, so it doesn't just disconnect randomly. Okay, now that I see this, I'm going to dust off whatever's extra, go back with Indecent, and then I'm going to do the blush. Kind of smile, see where your apples are. There we go. Just a really fresh, healthy glow. Now with that, I think I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with my eyes, so let me think about this. Okay, so I think I'm going to use the Jouer Springtime in Paris Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette. You guys can see the shades right here. I'm going to kind of go a little bit softer today. We're going to go ahead and do this little ivory tone just to do it right above my brow bone. And I'm going to do that and then just kind of give it a little bit of a ivory highlight. I'm going to sheer it out because it's a little too light for my skin. And just blend that out. This will also act as like a buffer for me later. Ooh, that might have been too much. Okay, so we'll do that. A little bit too light. So I'm going to just go back with my beauty blender and whatever's left over on the foundation and just kind of sheer that out. Okay, so that was just a little bit of lift and brightness. I'm going to go with this next shade right here. This one's called Camel. And go back with my Hakuodo brush 5523. Haven't used this in a while. Okay, it's a really nice, just good taupey color. I'm just gonna go all over the lid and just blend that out for a little bit of depth in the eye. Okay, same on the other side. A little bit of warmth. I'm going to keep this makeup look pretty soft today. I really want the outfit itself just to be what it is without taking it away with my makeup. So just kind of accentuating this outfit. And then my hair is bold too. You guys can kind of see the purple seeping through. It wasn't really meant to be that way today, or the color, but you know, I toned my hair and it wasn't eating it up. So I just did a little bit more intensity, and then I was like, you know what, it's gonna fade away every time I wash it. So I'm pretty open-minded about the way my hair goes. I'm gonna use a bigger brush, same color of Camel. This is a little bit fluffier, and I'm just going to use it to really just blend and diffuse. Same thing. This is the Wayne Gauze. Let me look at what number this is. Diffuse and blend it out. Number 3 brush. So I like to give a little bit of a glow, so I'm going to do this gold and the number 5 brush from Wayne Gauze, and just kind of go into the inner corner of my eye just to brighten that up. Give a little bit of glow, and I'm going to go back with the Indecent, the blush right here. And I'm going to use this with the number 5 brush as well for Wayne Gauze, and just add a little bit more peach touch. Since I have it on the cheek, I want to place it on the eye as well a little bit, just to give it a little bit more pull into this look, so it looks more monochromatic in a way. Then go back with the blush again, add a little bit more so that it just kind of pulls together. And then a little bit on the nose, dust it on the forehead, chin. Just kind of want everything to kind of seamlessly flow. I really regret putting that light shade, but I'm just going to have to figure out how to soften it up. I'm going to give my beauty mark a little pop, so I'm going to go with my pencil. It's a chocolate, what's called the Milani Stay Put Waterproof Eyeliner and Hooked on Espresso. That just kind of warm that up. I'm going to give my brows a little bit more love. This is an old Japanese mascara brush called Power Style. And my brows have been microbladed by my amazing friend, Renee Le Kitsune. And I am obsessed with what she did. She did the combination of microblading and shading. So it's just like, I don't have to really do my brows anymore. It saves a lot of time. Okay, so I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. I'll be right back. Okay, eyelashes are curled. I'm gonna use my Lash Sensational Curvitude Waterproof Mascara. And I like this brush because it's like easy for me to separate my lashes and then build how long or how thick I want it without being too chunky. It's really fine onto my baby lashes. You guys can see that? I'm gonna do the rest off camera because I like to take my time. Okay, so mascara is put on. I kind of give a little bit on my bottom lashes. I realize that I've been ignoring these little baby lashes and what a difference it makes when you put mascara on them. I've been using the Lash Discovery from Maybelline, the tiny brush. And a waterproof formulation, so kind of helps so it doesn't like drag on. And then I'm going to tight line my eyes with the same the liner for my Beauty Mark, Espresso from Milani. Ooh. Okay, and then I'm going to do a little bit of a waterline with the Kat Von D in their lip liner, Swanly, just to kind of give that fresh look. And then I'm going to do a really little line of the Style by Aiahn. This is a Korean brand, and it's a jumbo pen liner, but it's just so tiny and fine. I'm going to just do a little bit of a flick. I'm going to kind of build this up. So what I like to do is I kind of go on both eyes, create the flick first, and then see the balance of it. Okay, and then what I'm going to do off camera after I do my flick is just kind of get onto the lash line. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. The eyeliner became a little bit thicker. Sometimes when you do eyeliner, it just gets thicker and thicker, and you know what? I'm just going to be okay with it. Today, this is my look. I need to get a lip color. Okay, so I think I'm going to do two things. I'm going to do the Jouer in Park Avenue. This is going to be a good base. It's a liquid, kind of like almost matte lip color, not super drying, which is so nice. So it just kind of gives you that neutral nude color, especially with all the colors that's going on with me. And then I'm going to use Urban Decay Scorch Metalize, just to give it a little bit more dimension. It's like a kind of metallic lip color, so it's kind of cool, different. All right, so I think this is a look. I don't think I'm gonna pop on lashes. I could, just to make the lashes show, because now they don't really show with my baby lashes. Let me figure that out, and it's up to you if you want to do that. I think I might actually, so I'm gonna pop some on. Okay, so I just popped on one. It just kind of lifted the eye. Of course, you don't have to add lashes, but you know, I'm just gonna feel a little bit girly today. I haven't worn makeup in a while, so I just wanted to have fun. I'm going to pop this on above my lashes. And even if you put falsies and you have mascara on from your lashes, it kind of helps to create a really good base. So we're just kind of adjusting the way it's flaring out off camera. But yeah, pretty much just kind of opens up the eyes, gives me more of that wing type look. There's a little bit of a shadow with the lighting, but what I was saying with the mascara, it just kind of helps keep all your lashes up. So if you look on a profile view, you don't have your natural lashes falling down, everything's going up. But yeah, this is the complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna wear some ankle boots with this really cute outfit. I don't remember where this is from, but it's from Rent The Runway, and I'll tag it what brand it is and take some photos. I love you guys. Have a great day. Bye.